Okay guys, it's Papa Harry in the house. I don't have a lot of time today right now, because Mama Joan gone upstairs and me try to set up a little thing for Mama Joan, a prank where me go take all of me retirement money, send it down to Jamaica for go buy a house, and them rob my money. And me go tell Mama Joan that. Me go see how she go deal with that. So guys, tune in and see how everything will work out. Alright guys, this is how we're going to execute this plan. I know I have two friends in Jamaica. One named Shutter and the next one named Tony. Joan know both of these guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use these two guys to execute this prank, you know. And this prank go wicked, hot, spicy and nice. And Joan I go lift off. So guys, we're going to execute this, you know, and get back to you. You want to say a thing, I hear you about so this youth here, Tony Star. Like, we have to go find him for me. That's right, I know. I can't. But, I'm going to call you back, so, may we leave. Alright.
My belly don't feel too good.
No?
No, I think I need to make a cup of tea. Like
Ginger, make some ginger tea, no man?
yes, I bubble up in my belly, but we need to cut up some seasoning. I need some tomato and some onion.
Joan, I don't even know how to say this to you,
What's wrong? What's wrong with you now? What's
you
going on with you?
talk about you want a house down in Jamaica, and you want to get a with all a pool and something down in an orchard or something down this out of town.
Yeah.
Oh, I tell you, Joan, man. May I talk to you? I try to surprise you. You want to buy the house, a nice little thing down in an orchard where have a pool and you know, when we down there we can relax and comfortable like we still there for it. So something like that me I look for you.
So what you say? Your plan was to surprise me with a nice house in Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Would I love that?
No, I love that, honey.
But if it was a surprise, why are you telling me now?
Oh! Oh, what thing going on? Let me if you remember Tony.
Yeah.
From down the lane.
Yeah.
Sharon, brother.
Yeah.
Okay, we talk to him with you, Joan. And some house argument come up. And I tell me, saying, can get me a house down in an orchard where have a pool, big nice house, about 5 bedroom, everything nice, and him say when you in that you need even miss foreign. Cause down there so it's like a family they see me.
Okay, that's nice.
Honey, I'm not even know how to tell you this. I tell you my girl, it's stress. I don't know how to tell you say. But my savings when I have, my pension savings where I have. Me going to eat Joan.
Hold up. Like, you're going to your RSP?
That me I talk about Joan. Cause me I try to get the house for you, to surprise you. And me going to the RSP, I want to take a stock. Me send the money go down to Jamaica go get Tony.
Okay, so before we go any further, you cash in your RSP.
Bank never even want.
How much money you cash? How much money you take out of your RSP for this venture?
Boy, Joan, I not even know how to tell you how much money you know, cause it's like, boy, I not even know, Joan. Nothing much no left. Me take out what? The man tell me say.
Yeah.
The place value 20 million.
$20 million, but you don't have them kind of money there.
That's why when me get, Kama tell me say, him can get a little place for value 20 million for me, but choose a foreclosure. Me can get it for 5 million.
Okay.
Here you go now, the 5 million now. Me I was to send it down right away because I say, what if people are rushing?
So what you do, you're cashing your RSP and send
Send
5 million Jamaican dollars go get the man.
Cause of that the man I say $5 million I get it's about 45,000 Canadian.
So then you cash out all of your RSP and send all of your
Another wallet, that was 45,000 the cash out of it.
Okay.
45,000.
Okay.
And if much more in there, but another wallet, we leave back a little 5,000. Say in case I any little thing we can jump around on that. But we send 45,000. Go down to Jamaica, go give it to Tony. Say we'll get this house come. You know,
but Harry, the last time is we know Tony long time, but I years now we not talk to Tony. So why would you cash your money and send
Honey,
it
you
to
may try surprise enough to get a nice little place. Come here, always I hear you talk about. You want a little place, so when you go down to Jamaica, we can have a little
okay,
place.
so since you send the money go get Tony, you talk to him. So what's going on then with that?
That me I tell you now, me
Yeah.
go figure that Joan. Me send the money go get Tony. 2 weeks pass, you don't hear nothing from Tony. So, me I wonder what one Tony supposed to look about the program for me, because that thing tell me, you know. I'm going to look about the money, the house, and make me have it. But at the same time, me have to send the money go give. So when me send the money go give Tony now, me notice, me not hear nothing from him. So me I call him now, me I wonder, when him was send the deeds and the papers and them stuff, they come give me, because that was supposed to send come give me right away, you know, as soon as him start all the thing. But me notice from me send the money go give, me not get no deed, me not get no receipt, me not get nothing from the man, Joan. And right now it's like, me call him to Jamaica, me beg you, boy, shut up. If you go look for him for me, shut up, say. Him a look all over the place, and then him go find out, say, Tony, fly out couple days ago, Joan. Gone to Bahamas with the money, Joan. Me just buy a big mansion down in the Bahamas. A car. And down there, live here now.
So you know is a damn ass. You cash out all of your goddamn savings.
And you me a look out for your honey, and you me a look for something to get you together, you know.
You cash out your savings and send it go to Jamaica go get idiot Tony. Well, you know, and I like say we know Tony from long time, but and I like say well then Tony a long time we not talk to Tony, so we don't know why you that way. And the next thing, why would you go to? I mean, know your money. But you never said nothing to me about that.
And I'm surprised,
you
know? I want to surprise you. That's the thing will kill me.
But tell you say I do not like surprises. These are the things when people try to surprise people. Do not surprise me with anything. I tell you and I tell the kids them all the time. Say, guys, you don't surprise me with nothing because I don't like surprises. So right now you lose all of your money. This is the thing now. You spend $45,000 out of you cash in your RSP. Don't tell me nothing about that. Try to surprise me. You cash in your RSP, Ari. You cash in your RSP, $45,000 you send go to Jamaica. You don't send nothing to me. Oh, could you? Me know your money.
I'm never surprised if I say something to you.
Okay, but this is the thing. I told you guys, I do not like surprises because there's times when I'm doing things I'm not surprised with what I'm doing. But you cannot do that. You take them. Okay, so let me ask you this now. So when mortgage for pay, light bill for pay, where we all get money from to pay them something there? Eh? That is the money where we work. Like it's there as a chest, as a what you call it? Is a saving we're supposed to dare. When we have hard times, that's the way you have to save it. And you gonna take it and gonna sell it. Got each of me for only
look out for
don't look out for me, Harry. I want it for money that. Yes, but that is a lot of money for you to be wasting like that.
House when I go buy for it. A nice house with pool and everything where you know short on nothing.
$45,000, Harry. And you not say nothing to me?
Honey, then it wouldn't be a surprise.
I don't want no goddamn surprises. We tell the one I own that already. Say I don't like surprises. You can't do that. So anyway, Tony there, you try to find him and get back the friggin' money.
Me send Shatta go look for Tony. Shatta tell me what they today. Say, Tony, no there Jamaica no more. Tony fly out and go to Bahamas.
Well, you know, you need to hold a goddamn plane and go to Bahamas to find him. You need to go find him.
Which part of Bahamas?
I don't know. You go find out which part you've gone with the money. Because all you for the 45,000 worth of money that you know.
Me know what you want. But a nice house for you that love too.
First of all, you never even see a picture of the house. This man called you and give a cockamy in his story. If don't say nothing, him call you and give a cockamy in his story, and you send the money at Jamaica go give the man. This is how them do it. It's like the people them scam you got their money. Or if you make them take your money from you like that, you know Tony. And you trust Tony and you believe in that Tony. People down in Jamaica sometimes them have hard times and them need money. You understand me? And you take your hard-earned saving money and send go to Jamaica. You should do better than that.
Yeah, oh. See the house still in a Joan. That's why I send the money go give him, you know. Because as I say the house, nice and upon a nice, you know, when you look down, you look see the ocean and everything, you know. So I see a picture with the house. But then my girl, the man going. But when me go do, as what you say, me take a plane and me go down to Trinidad.
Bahamas the same thing.
You fool. You're going to Bahamas, Joan. Me, I go myself. Go look for Tony. I see when me hold him. Oh, you see when me hold Tony and me see Tony. But me, I go just beg shot off to find out which part of Bahamas in there. Make me know. And then we are go down there. 45, yes, Joan. 45,000.
Oh, God.
Right, you know, me not even know where to tell you, say, Joan. How me go manage? They tell me about mortgage, right? You know, we probably lose her. This house where we live here because me I say, when me move go down there, so we would have still could have rent out this. But now it look like we ought to lose the whole of the house. So I don't know what to tell you, say.
No more money.
Well,
no more money.
Me
I go make sure go at the bank. Me I go at the bank and whatever RSP left back you have left, you go turn it over to me. That's how we are going to do. You go at the bank and you go turn over back. Anything you have in the bank, you go turn it over back to me. Because you cannot do that. That is totally wrong of you. And I do not like surprise. So do not try to surprise me. I tell my children them, don't surprise me with anything. Because I do not like surprise. The last time Mela surprised me and I go away and D'Angelo come to surprise me. Don't surprise me with nothing. And you surprise me, you know, with house at Jamaica. Yes, me know me always want a nice place at Jamaica, but you can send your money, go and get idiot Tony, and Tony take your money and go with it.
Yeah,
you's a damn fool.
Honey, right now Tony is a dead man. Me can't tell you that. All of my money went
because you're going to find him?
Then we never search out the whole of down wherever in there. Me I go down there myself, go look for him. I see anytime you hold him, because me I'll get him address, because him say him buy a house. So the house must have an address. So me I'll get an address and me I'll go down there. As a matter of fact, as soon as me done talk to you, me I go make preparation, me I go buy a ticket, and I straight down there me I go, and me I'll call Shatter from down the lane and tell him for meet me, I'll buy a ticket for Shatter too. Make him meet me over there and me and him go down there. And oh, you see, when we hold Tony, oh, Joan, not even want to tell you when we go do to Tony because if you don't know, you can't tell me where you're going to Tony because all we can say to you is that he's a damn fool. Oh my God! You can't even help it to know about.
But because only a fool would do something like what you do. We're sorry for saying he's a big man and you know one fear, but that is very, very stupid. That is very foolish. Very,
you
very
think
foolish.
so, honey?
Of course it is. Why the freak you do, like it's like
honey, you me try to surprise you.
No, sir. As much as me want to surprise you, would have forgot do that is something I would have forgot do myself to surprise you.
No, me
leave it that to nobody to do that for me. Would have forgot do that for myself. Me now pick up them bread and money there and give to people to surprise my wife with nothing. No, sir.
Look for that boy the Tony, you know. And you see, when me see him, I never know what more I'm doing, you know, because I box him.
Listen, Harry.
Oh.
You take $45,000 and send to Bahamas. You need to go to Bahamas now. This is something we need to do right now. Okay? You need to get on this right now because we can't lose money like that.
No.
You need to get on that right now, okay? So you need to jump on it, you need to...
I'm going to Bahamas right now.
Okay,
so book a ticket. I mean, I'll go to my Bahamas, but I'll call my youth from down the lane shutter, make him meet me up and buy a ticket for him for reach a Bahamas. Then I'm going to link up down there.
So when you going to do that?
As I said, I'm going to do that no, well, by weekend or so, but I know me going to do it.
No, we need it for done today.
Today?
You need to call Shutter or call Reef and make arrangement with him for buy the ticket for you. This goddamn ears and keep dropping out of my goddamn ears. You need to call Reef and make Reef make the arrangement for you and buy the ticket for you because this is something you need to go deal with right now. You can't wait till next week because a man can't take your money like this. So matter of fact, me I come too. And I'm not yes, we're gonna go. Me I gonna talk to Reef and make Reef buy a ticket for me too.
You understand me? Because the boy told you want to take man for idiot, you know, like he take man for fool, you know, like he think he can just come take my money and buy house for himself and go like me, I want me an idiot. Watch me on him. Oh, I will wait till I hold him. See when I hold him, you call Reef?
Yes, me I call Reef.
Call Reef this time.
Call Reef.
You want to see, before you call Reef, honey, no, before you call Reef.
Before me call Reef what? Me I call Reef now.
Honey, it's a prank. I just, you know how it goes. It's a prank, honey. You can't really, you know, it's a prank, honey. Look how you think you could have take your money and send it to Jamaica. First thing you know, me now touch no money. I don't say nothing to you. But it's when I think about it, if you are the prank them where you prank me, and you know you love your money, you say, you know what, I'm going to spend up the whole of this money which she have and tell her, and me also she only with it. But don't worry yourself for the husband.
Don't touch me. Don't put your hand back.
You know me wouldn't do that, honey. I wouldn't do that.
Touch me. I am gonna go look for my dinner and I don't think you're going to get no food for eat. Don't touch me. Still do not touch me. Still do not touch me.
I wouldn't do that, honey, man. You're crazy. I know you love your money. As much as we know you want a little house and thing. Now if me go buy a house and me I go buy the house, me not go make a decision. And you know honey, you should not do that too. Me not go make them the decision without you. You're crazy. Everybody say they are fool. Okay guys. This was just a thing where more and just run pa Mama Joan, you know. But you know, first of all, me not touch money them really. Unless me tell Mama Joan, you're crazy. Now if I make Mama Joan know about everything before me do anything. So guys, this is just a prank just to get to Mama Joan.
This wasn't a good prank.
What do you mean was that?
No, this wasn't a good prank for me because this man come prank me, but as me tell them, the whole of them, every dog of them day.
True.
So today is my day, tomorrow is film day, and another day is another one day. So everybody I will get back to them when the time is right.
When the time right. So until the time right, we out.
So anyway guys, I like you to like,
subscribe,
and hit that post notification bell thing of mine. And I need how much likes you want on this video?
10,000, we work with 10,000 right now. Where you want, 11?
Anyway guys, Papa Harry's out. Okay? Bye.